So welcome again guys for another video tutorial, and today we are solving a problem that is about substitution method, okay? Or yung iba they call it U sub, okay? But basically we can call it a substitution method since we can use other variable aside from U, okay? Anyway, so for our solution for our problem for this video, we have integral of 5x squared dx over quantity of 1 minus 2x cubed raised to 6. So first, we need to have a substitution. For our solution, ang need natin gawin is we need to determine kung sino yung mas mahirap na term na dapat natin i-simplify through substitution. So for this one, we need to look for this denominator because as you notice that ang term dito, itong 1 minus 2x cubed, dalawang term and also naka-raise sa 6. So therefore, we need to let this as our substitution, itong loob na term 1 minus 2x cubed. So let's use na lang the u variable. So let's say let u equal to 1 minus 2x cubed, okay? After, we need to differentiate that one. So our du will be negative derivative of 1 is 0, and then for this one, derivative of this is simply equal to negative 6x squared dx, okay? After is we need to rewrite our integral in terms of u since nag-introduce tayo ng bagong variable, okay? So we need to write, but before that, notice that yung du natin, we have negative 6, okay? But dito sa ating integrand, okay, ito yung integrand, yung term na nasa integral. Ang ating integrand is 5x squared dx. Hindi sila nag-match, okay, dito sa du. Therefore, ang ating kukunin lamang is itong x squared dx dito sa du. So that if we solve for x squared dx, we just need to divide it both sides by negative 6. So this will cancel out, and ang matitira na lang is simply for the x squared dx is simply equal to negative du over 6, right? Okay, so we need to write this in terms of u na. So our integral will become, labas ko yung 5 na lang siguro muna, okay? Or wag na lang, sige, 5 na lang, 5, and then our x squared dx dito is equal to negative du over 6, and over itong 1 minus 2x cubed is equal to u, diba? So this will become u, and naka-raise sa 6, so magiging u raised to 6. So notice that we are in terms of u na lahat, diba? Ang ating new integral. So this will become, labas na natin yung constant, we have 1 over 6 here, negative pala. So this will become negative, and we have 5, so magiging 5 over 6 integral of du over u raised to 6. Okay, that's it. After, so we need to apply power rule of integration, but before that, we need to akyat this one sa numerator para maging negative yung exponent. So magiging negative 5 over 6 integral of, so if we put this one sa numerator, magiging negative yung exponent, so magiging u raised to negative 6 du. Okay, after, apply the power rule, so this will become negative 5 over 6 times u raised to negative 6 plus 1 over negative 6 plus 1 plus c, right? Simplify, magiging negative 5 over 6 times, we have u raised to negative 5 over negative 5 plus c. Notice that we can cancel out the negative and also the 5. And after, we can also simplify this u raised to negative 5 back to positive exponent by putting it against to denominator. So magiging positive na to, 1 over 6 u raised to 5 plus c. After, we need to bring back the original value for u, which is in terms of x, etong 1 minus 2x cubed. So our final answer will be 1 over 6 quantity of 1 minus 2x cubed raised to 5 and then plus c. Okay, therefore our final answer is this one. Hopefully may nagets and may natutunan, and that's all. Thank you.